In today's tutorial we are going to learn about the conditional formatting and we'll practically see how to apply it. Now, conditional formatting. MS Excel gives you an advanced feature known as conditional formatting. This feature enables you to apply formatting to only those cells in the worksheet which satisfy a particular condition. So, using conditional formatting we can format particular cells which satisfy a certain condition. The formatting is not applied to the cells which do not satisfy the condition. So the cells which do not satisfy the condition, the formatting will not be applied. So let's see how to apply it. For this we are taking the same popular Indian team batsman. So that Excel sheet with those information. Now in the first step, click on the home tab. So after clicking home you will get here conditional formatting. So we have to click here, then we will get these options to format the cells. Now here it is written that hover your mouse pointer over these arrows to open submenu. So when we click on this or move the mouse over this, then a menu will appear. When the menu will appear, after just putting the mouse over this option, then we will get this menu. Means when we put the mouse here, then we will get this menu. Then I have here between, so you can also use greater than, less than, equal to. So these are the options. So here I have written between. You have selected between. Now next, after selecting this between, you will get this. You can enter the criteria here as 20 and 40. So here I am putting the criteria as between 20 and 40. So it will include both 20 and 40. And here light red fill with dark red text. So here fill is red with dark text, means dark red text. You can also select the color to be applied. So by clicking on this arrow we can also change the color and do some additional changes. Now after clicking OK, you will get the highlight cells rules option is used to apply formatting and highlight cells that satisfy a condition. So it will satisfy a condition. So we are highlighting the cells. For example, less than, equal to, or text containing a word or a group. So condition is up to you what you apply the condition. So here as you can see, this here the text is highlighted. So the resultant screen show conditional formatting, this one. Similarly you can apply other criteria, so we can apply other criteria also. Now let's see more about it. Let's learn about this top and bottom rules shown in figure 3.13. So this one was 3.13. Below this highlight cells we have top and bottom rules. So it is used to find the top 10 items, bottom 10 items, top and bottom 10% of the items average. So it is used to select either top 10 or bottom 10, this type of values. So the resultant screen, you can enter any number of items to be formatted from the bottom. So we can select any number to be formatted from the bottom, and here we can select the property which we want to apply. The resultant screen showing conditional formatting. So this is the screen showing conditional formatting containing the bottom 10 items. So it contains the bottom 10 items from the data given. Now to clear a conditional formatting, select the range, click on conditional formatting under the rules. So to clear the conditional formatting, we can select the range and click on conditional formatting again, then it will clear all the rules. So for putting also we will click on conditional formatting, and for removing also we will click on conditional formatting. That's all. Thank you.